SQQQ Stock Surge Breakdown, May 5th, 2025, August 1st, 2025. Overview. ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ, SQQQ, NASDAQ, a 3x inverse ETF tracking the NASDAQ 100, dropped from $29.14 to $17.49, then surged to $19.52, plus 5.97%, 183.57 million shares on August 1st. Let's dive into the price action and technicals to see what's next for this volatile beast. Price movement. Early May. Opened at $29.35, hit $29.45, closed at $29.14, 76.20 million shares. Peaked at $30.83, May 7th, $29.60, 119.06 million shares. Dipped to $27.91, May 8th, $28.72, 112.92 million shares. Mid-May drop. Crashed to $24.16, minus 4.76%, 119.93 million shares on May 13th, low $23.89, settled at $23.38, minus 0.76%, 84.40 million shares by May 16th. June decline. Slid to $21.11, minus 4.46%, 82.26 million shares on June 24th, hitting $20.46, June 25th, $20.70, 68.46 million shares. Volume averaged about 90 million. July bottom. Hit $17.49, July 31st, $18.42, 129.10 million shares, then surged to $19.52, plus 5.97%, 183.57 million shares on August 1st, high $19.77. Catalyst. August 1st, plus 5.97%, 183.57 million shares, likely tied to a tech sell-off. Check QQQ/NVDA. July's low reflects NASDAQ 100 strength. Early May peaks tied to tech weakness. Technical indicators. Moving averages. SMA 5, $18.46. EMA 5, $18.70, below close, $19.52, signal short-term bullishness. SMA 20, $18.80, EMA 20, $19.01, below close, support upward momentum. SMA 50, $20.22, EMA 50, $21.01, above close, confirm longer-term bearish trend. Takeaway. Price above SMA 5, EMA 5, and SMA 20 screams short-term bullishness, but below SMA 50 keeps downtrend alive. Resistance at $20.03, BB upper. Momentum. RSI 14, 50.64, up from 25.25 June 30th, neutral. Room for upside. Stock K5/D5, 75.22/54.79, up from 4.30/4.95 June 30th, nearing overbought. Williams percent R14, minus 10.96, up from minus 97.74 July 17th, close to overbought. Takeaway. RSI 50.64 supports upside. Stock K5, 75.22, near overbought, warns of a pullback. Momentum strong post-July lows. Trend strength. ADX 14, 30.80, down from 34.64 May 13th, above 25, indicates moderate downtrend. Declining ADX suggests fading bearish strength. A ruin down/up, 96/0, oscillator at plus 7.14, shift from minus 100 June 24th, signals potential reversal. Takeaway. ADX 30.80 shows weakening downtrend. Arun oscillator plus 7.14 hints at bulls waking up. Watch Arun up. Volatility. ATR 14, $3.30. Around $3.30 daily swings. High for $19.52 ETF, expected for 3x leverage. Beta 14, 1.00, tied to NASDAQ 100's inverse moves. Takeaway. ATR 3.30 needs wide stops. Beta 14 ties SQQQs to QQQ's inverse action. Volume and momentum. OBV, negative 1.11 billion, up from minus 1.42 billion July 30th, reflects buying on August 1st plus 5.97%. MACD, line negative 0.69, signal negative 0.90, histogram plus 0.21, positive histogram confirms bullish momentum. Takeaway. OBV jump and positive MACD plus 0.21 signal buyer strength. Volume 183.57 million versus 76.20 million shows massive interest, likely tech sell-off. Support, resistance. Bollinger Bands, upper $20.03, middle $18.80, lower $17.56, close above middle band signals bullishness. PSAR $17.49, below price, confirms bullish signal. Takeaway. Support at $17.56 to $17.49, resistance at $20.03 to $19.77. PSAR below price supports bulls. What to do? Short-term traders, buy above $19.77, target $20.03 to $20.50, stops below $17.56. ATR 3.30 means $3.30 swings. Swing traders, wait for $20.03 break with volume greater than 100 million, target $21 to $21.50, stops below $17.49. Arun oscillator plus 7.14 hints a trend shift. Long-term investors, SQQQ's 3x leverage makes it a poor long-term hold, used for short-term hedges against NASDAQ 100 drops. Beta 14 ties to QQQ's inverse action. Risk. ATR 3.30 suggests $3.30 swings. Use wide stops. Monitor QQQ/NDX. Final thoughts. SQQQ's $29.14 to $17.49 slide rode NASDAQ 100 strength, but $19.52 plus 5.97%, 183.57 million shares signals tech weakness. Technicals, SMA 20, positive MACD, and PSAR below price scream short-term bullishness, but SMA 50, $20.22 looms. Watch $17.56 support and $20.03 resistance. NASDAQ 100 pullback could fuel SQQQ's next leg. Check QQQ/NDX. Are you riding this inverse rocket or waiting for a dip? Let me know for more analysis.